Sometimes it is not that your videos are not good, that is why it is not getting views. Sometimes you just need to do some small things to promote your video, but some of us, we ignore these things. And in this video, I'm going to be giving you guys some of the things that you need to do to promote your videos to get more views and subscribers. So make sure you watch the video all the way from beginning to the end. And number 7 is very important, so you need to watch the video all the way from beginning to the end to get the number 7, which is going to help you a lot. And as you see the title of the video, this thing is boring, but it's going to help you to get more subscribers and views on your videos. So these are some of the things that you need to do to help your channel to get more views and subscribers. So number 1 thing that you need to do to help your channel to get more views and subscribers is make sure you get your competitors and those who are within your niche, those that are also making the same videos that you are also doing. Make sure you go to their channels, watch their most popular videos, and as you're watching their most popular videos, comment under their comment section. Comment under the comment section something very valuable, something that people is going to learn something or is going to get values from it. And when people start to get value from that particular comment, some are going to click on your profile to see either you are creating content on your channel or not. If they click, if you are lucky enough and your your comment is able to get more likes, that means a lot of people are going to click on your profile to check your videos out. As we are checking your videos out, if your videos, they find it interesting, many people are going to also subscribe to your channel and many people are going to watch your videos as well. That means you are going to get more subscribers, more views, and more watch time. So one comment alone can help you to get more views, more subscribers, and more watch time. And be in mind that that comment is going to be there forever. So as far as that particular video still exists on the YouTube platform, that comment is going to be there forever. In 5 years, in 10 years, that comment is going to still be there. So make sure as you are watching your videos within your niche, make sure you are giving a good a valuable comment in the comment section. And if you are even lucky enough and the owner of the video pin your comment, then you're going to get more traffic into your channel, which will lead you to get more subscribers and watch time on your channel. So the second thing that can help you to get more views and subscribers on your channel is that make sure you promote your videos on other social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. And how are you going to promote it? Let's say somebody give a topic about, let's say you are giving a video on how to grow, you are having a video on how to grow on YouTube, and somebody also drop a particular so let's say post about growing on social media. You can comment in the comment section and also give people some small details on how to grow on YouTube, and later on you drop your link, or you can tell them to check on your YouTube channel to see the videos that you are giving, and tell them that you are giving that kind of videos, and if anybody who is interested in it, they can go and search your channel. Just put your channel name, they can go and search it there and subscribe to your channel. And also some are going to watch your videos, and as they are watching it, some are going to subscribe to your channel. And I would have said you should drop your link there, but it's not all the places that you can drop your links. Some people, if you drop your link, your YouTube link, in their comment section, they are going to remove that comment. That is why you need to actually put the your channel name. Just put, after you give the value in the comment that you comment, after you give value in that comment, just put in bracket and put your channel name in it, and tell the people that this is your channel name on YouTube, so they can go and check you out. And as you are doing that, put in mind that that comment is going to also be there forever. And as far as people are looking at that particular post and they are commenting and engaging on it, then people are also going to be seeing your comment. And as they are seeing your comment, if your comment they fall in love with your comment, they are going to go to your YouTube channel and check it out, which will lead you to get more subscribers and watch time as well, and also more views. So the next thing that you need to do, which can also help you to get more views and subscribers on your channel, is that you need to copy from other creators. What did I mean by copy from other creators? I don't mean just copy ditto. I don't mean copy exactly what they are having, but use their videos as inspiration. let's say somebody give a part, like you are having a good video, sometimes you are having a good video, but your thumbnail is not actually the best. Your thumbnail is not good, which is letting people not to click on your video. And as far as like if you see that somebody is having a particular video that is getting a lot of like clicks, that means you can actually replicate their thumbnail to see if your video can perform well. If your video can perform well, and you will even be like surprised that if you replicate that process and you make a similar thumbnail in your niche, that somebody is also having that same thumbnail and is performing well, and you also make the same thumbnail, you'll be surprised that that particular like video will perform well. And if you continue to do this, definitely you're going to hit. And immediately if one of your videos hit, then put in mind that it's going to send more traffic to the other videos that was not getting enough views. And the next thing, which is the fourth thing to do, is that include call to action in your videos. Include call to action in your videos. As far as you are making the videos, as I'm making like this, tell people to subscribe to your channel on the way. Like if you just, like let's say you just made the video, to the middle of the video, as you are providing value to the people, tell the people that they should try as much as possible to subscribe to your channel. If they are getting value in that particular like video that you are making, then they should try and subscribe to your channel, and also comment in the comment section what they have learned or what they think is the suggestion. They should also put in the comment section. And as far as you are doing that, then many people are going to subscribe to your channel, because some people, they just forget to subscribe. But if you remind them to subscribe to your channel, definitely they are going to subscribe. And the best place to put call to action is at the end of your video. At the end of your video, make sure you tell people to subscribe. At least tell people to subscribe to your channel. And as people subscribe to your channel, your next videos, they are going to be getting notified, and many are also going to come to your channel to check the particular videos that you are now posting. So the fifth one that you need to do is adding of end screen. Make sure every video that you make sure you add end screen. In case you don't know what is end screen, these are just the things that, like at the end of video, you will see that they will put maybe two videos at the end of the video. The creator will put 2 videos or 3 videos at the end of the video, and some people, they will put a video and a subscription button, which either the viewer can subscribe to the channel or they can watch the other video. And I will urge you to always give, like at the end screen, always give the video that is related to the particular video that like that particular viewer is watching. Just tell YouTube to recommend a best video for that particular viewer in your channel. And as YouTube is doing that, many people if they watch your video all the way from beginning to the end, and they see that you provide value to them, they are going to click the other video to see what you are giving there. And be in mind that as they are clicking to watch, then the videos are going to be getting views, and watch time is going to be increasing, and subscriber count is also going to be increasing. And it's going to also help YouTube to know that, oh, this particular video is nice, and YouTube can also promote your video to other people because of that. And the 6th thing that you need to do is pin comment. Like every video, make sure you pin a comment in the comment section. Make sure you pin a comment in the comment section. Make sure you just put a comment that is going to be useful in the comment section and pin it, so that anybody that is going to comment, your comment is going to be the first comment that they are going to see. And it's not something that you should complicate it. Just tell people, the viewers, that if they enjoy the video, they should join your channel by subscribing to the channel or by clicking the subscription button, which is actually easy to do. With just 2 sentences, you'll be done, and you pin that particular comment to your comment in the comment section, and you'll be surprised by the number of like views that you're going to get, or the number of subscribers that you're going to get, just because of that pinned comment. And the next thing that you need to do, which is the 7th thing, and I told you guys that this one is very important, is make sure you reply to comments. Make sure you reply to comments. Like this is how it happens. You know that sometimes if a creator just reply to your comment, how do you feel? You feel like, okay, the person value you, that's why the person reply your comment. Especially if a big creator just reply to your comment, you say, okay, this person value me, so let me join the family. And because of that eager, like people want a place that they value, like they value them, that's the place that people want. So if you reply to their comment and like provide more value in the like if they ask you question and you give them answer, then they'll be willing to stay on that particular channel to always like ask questions, and as they are commenting in the comment section, is going to boost your engagement. And because of that, YouTube can actually let your video go viral just because of you like replying to their comment and them commenting back. So make sure you make use of the comment section. Make sure you reply to your audience, your viewers comment. Make sure you reply to them, and it's going to help you to get more views and more subscribers. So these are some of the things that you can do to increase your views and subscribers, and these things are actually basic things that most of us will ignore these particular things, and it's actually harming our channel. So, and if this video was helpful, make sure you subscribe to the channel to be getting value like this, and I'll see you in the next one.